What's up, guys? Daniel and Avion here. This is my best friend in school. We always joke a lot. He's making a channel, 2K Avion, so go subscribe, but not very early. I'm gonna put it in the description later. But I bought him a fidget spinner because he told us to sponsor us a video. Our Dragon Ball Rage Part 2 video. He told me to do it again. So I went on ahead and do it because he's my best friend.
Bruh, I'm making my video so late because I'm trying to get my text time gonna get them good games, bro. Y'all know.
You know, boy, we getting up. I might get them 5, blue and red, and them 11s.
Y'all ready to see him gooch it up?
I bought him a fidget spinner. It's blue. Blue and silver.
And y'all show Mass a little touch.
You need to subscribe to SJ9K. He makes some really good videos. This is my
reactions be so good.
This is my
actually like get the audience. Right?
This is my other vlog. I haven't been vlogging for a long time, but become a Sabella Ward and subscribe to Omar Sabella. Like Avion. Me and Avion, we love his videos. Thanks, man.
Don't mind the noise. It's in the classroom.
Yeah. Goodbye, guys. Stay awesome.